Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Colombia theme on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. And you need to update your Instagram application by clicking on update like this. So once you update it, you simply need to go back and open Instagram and click on the messenger icon on the top right. Here you need to click on any conversation and click on the person name on the top. Here you need to click on theme and select the Colombia. And now you can see that Colombia theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.